Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Game Pass on Roblox Mobile and make it appear on your stand in Please Donate. So if you want people to donate Robux to you, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. Open the Roblox app on your phone. From the main screen, tap on More at the bottom menu. Now scroll down a little and select Create. Once you're inside the Create section, tap the three lines near the Home button, then select Creations. Here, you'll see your Roblox places or experiences. Every Roblox account usually has a default place already created, so just tap on your place to open it. After your place loads, tap the three lines on the left side again, then select Monetization. Now tap on Passes. Next, tap Create a Pass. Here you can upload an image for your Game Pass if you want, but it's optional. Next, enter a name for the pass. You can also add a description if you'd like. Keep in mind that the name you choose is what players will see when they hover over your stand in Please Donate. Once you've entered the name, scroll down and tap Create Pass. Now you should see the pass you just made. If you scroll to the right, you'll notice it says Off Sale. We need to turn it on so people can actually buy it. Tap on the Game Pass, then tap the three lines on the left side again and select Sales. Now turn on the option called Item for Sale. After that, type in the amount of Robux you want the pass to cost. Just remember that Roblox only gives you 70% of the amount. So if someone buys a 100 Robux pass, you'll receive 70 Robux. I'm going to set mine to 55 Robux, so it's easy to see on the stand. You can also enable regional pricing if you want, but I usually leave it off so I know exactly how much Robux I'll get. Once you're done, tap Save Changes. And that's it. Your Game Pass is now ready to use. You can go back and create more passes with different prices, or you can close everything and open Please Donate. Inside Please Donate, walk up to any empty stand. Once the stand loads, you should see the Game Pass you just created displayed on your stand for other players to buy and donate to you. And that's basically how to make a Game Pass and use it in Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tutorials and helpful videos.